Hi guys, Pickbeard here. Got the American lock that Rick Wales sent to me. Let's see if we can focus in on that a bit. Come on, focus. Anyway, here it is, all locked up. I'll get the key, show you it's all in working order. Lovely little lock. Love playing with this one. Take the key out halfway, give it a turn, so it's locked up. The usual malarkey. One thing I've found with this is I do tend to put too much tension on it, and then I bind all the pins up, can't pick it. So what I'm going to use is really flexible tension wrench, and just try and get that in there without falling out. And I'm going to put a hell of a lot of tension on it, well, a hell of a lot of pressure on it, but not so much tension. For me, this seems to work, just because I put too much tension on with a more rigid tension wrench. So let's start at the front, 1, 2 and 3, at the back, find pin 4, seems to have set that, back onto 3, onto 2, not sure if that's good or not, and slight touch on one if I can get it, pinging the tension wrench across the ring, which I've just done. It's the only problem with that, there's so much bend on it. If I just catch it, it goes flying across the room, so let's try again. I'm not sure if I've got it or not. Let's have a go. Back on pin 1. Pin 2 sounds like it's set. 3. I think it's set. Pin 2, I'm pretty sure it's set now. So once I've got it like that, what I tend to do is put a tension wrench in the top just to see if it will turn that little bit more. Just trying to find the right one. Because I don't think so, so I'll just reset it. It's a bit of a hit and miss for me, but I thought I'd show you how I do it on here. That's 1, 2, 3. Right, there you go, that's got it. Hear that last click of 1. And there you go, turn it with that tension wrench, show you it's open. And that's my take on not applying too much tension. There are other ways of doing it, but I found this one works particularly well, as long as the wrench stays in there. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Pickbeard out.